Welcome back to the channel. This is Self Haircuts by Dane, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a lineup or an edge up on yourself under 5 minutes. Let's go. In this video, I'm using a three-way mirror and a pair of trimmers. The three-way mirror I'll link below. They're called Self Find, and I got them from Amazon. The pair of trimmers are called Andy's T Outliners. I got them from Sally's, but you can also get them from andys.com or Amazon. Now, depending on your hair texture, the length of your hair, the way you approach this may be very different than the way that I do. So starting with the horizontal part of my hairline, the way I think of it is I just follow the natural flow of the hairline until I get to the corners, and then I go a little further up. So you can see that I probably went maybe a quarter of an inch higher than where my natural hairline is at the corner as I get closer to the vertical part. Depending on the shape of your hairline, my theory is that you can always go a little further up on the corners. It gives the face some more dimension and some more angles. For me, if I follow the natural flow of my hairline, it gives my face more of a rounder look. So for the vertical part of the hairline, nothing special here. Once I create that reference point on the horizontal part of the hairline, this vertical part is relatively easy. Just follow the natural flow of your hairline, keep that section as long as possible, and you should be good to go. Now, for the C-cups, honestly, this is one of the more tricky parts of doing your own edge up, but once you get some practice under your belt with these, you should be good. The way I think of it is keeping the trimmer as horizontal as possible, make that initial line, and then follow the C-cup, right? Just follow the natural flow of the hairline, and the trimmers will do the rest of the work. Now for the neck area or for the back of the head, this is where the three-way mirror is going to really come in handy. Again, just make sure you brush the hair down and then follow the natural flow of the hairline. As you get closer to the top of your ears, use the corner of the trimmer, right? You have to be careful back here because if you don't see it correctly, you can make a sharp line in your hair, which wouldn't be good at all. So just use the corner of the clippers as you get behind your ears, and you should be good. And that's it. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. But otherwise, thank you guys for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.